Hey guys, it's Tauna and welcome back to my channel. I really hope that y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving and that you got to share it with friends or family or whoever you may have chosen. But I'm super excited for today's video, and if you have read the title description, then you know we are going to be doing an extreme closet clean out and organization video. This is also going to be renter friendly because Cameron and I are currently renting, and there is a very fine line between wanting and willing to invest in something that you're not going to get anything back in the future, like you're renting from an apartment. So in this video, you're not going to see me building any built-ins or adding different sections to hang clothes on. You're not going to be seeing any of that. We're really going to be focusing on things that will make this space a little bit more functional for Cameron and I, but also things that we can take to our future home whenever we decide to move out. It's going to be an extreme transformation, so let me go ahead and show you guys what we're working with. So basically, Cameron and I's closet, you walk through our bathroom and then our closet is at the end here. It's quite a small closet, and because Cameron and I both share it, it has made it a little bit difficult to finding enough space for both of us. So here we go. I'm gonna show you guys once again. Try not to judge too hard. See, I can't even get this door open. So yeah, this is the situation right now. I have clothes that I have cleaned out and need to give to Goodwill. I actually have started somewhat of a organization here in terms of just trying to get the colors, you know, the rainbow clothes. Cameron's side of the closet is a bit of a situation on its own. This one laundry basket that we have in here has got to go, you guys. Tons of plastic hangers, which we're actually going to be donating because I'm going to be updating my hangers a little bit. And then just like the shoe situation, you guys see all this empty space up here? That is a lot of space that we could use for other things. But really, I want to make sure to utilize this empty space, which I'm going to be showing y'all a fun little renter-friendly project that can eventually be used for other things. You guys have now seen why I'm a little bit embarrassed to even do this video and to show y'all the realistic matter of what my life has been for the past couple of months in terms of this closet. And because I do enjoy organizing things, this has gone too far. I need to get this done. So the first matter that we need to do is just take everything out. And as I'm taking everything out, kind of going through the clothes that I know Cameron is no longer wearing, going through my own clothes that I know I'm not going to wear, so we can get them in bags and go donate them so people who are going to use them can actually use them. So from this top shelf to the ceiling, we have 27.5 inches. The length of this area is 107 inches. So when I was on Amazon, I found these cubbies. So the dimensions are actually for this standing up, but we're gonna lay them down. So it laying down, it's 31.5 inches long. That gives me about 3 units that I can use for the top area, which would take up a total space of 94.5 inches. And the height for these is gonna be 12 inches. So with our 27.5 inches, we have plenty of room to add another slot of shoes on top of the cube. So now we just got to build these things and put them up and see how they look and hope that it gives us the room that we need desperately in this closet.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down.
Because these cubbies only reach 94.5 inches to my 107, there's going to be about 13.5 left over. And because Cameron has a lot of shoe boxes, I think that we can scoot these cubbies all the way over on my side and then leave that 13.5 inches on his side for shoes or tall boots or anything extra. So we can always change around, but I think that's the plan that we're going to go for right now.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where
here is the aftermath of putting all of our shoes up. It looks fantastic, and you can tell it really has taken up some of that empty space and doubled our space for our shoes. So I got these hangers from Target, and they were a little bit pricey, but I was going for quality over quantity this time. I wanted to invest in something that was going to last us a little longer. These aren't going to break on me as easily, so I highly suggest that if you're able to and you're able to afford it, then invest in some higher quality hangers because it will make the world of a difference. These were a pack of 100 and they were $45 a box. It came with 50 shirt hangers and then 50 coat hangers, which I just use them for everything.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper.
Good morning, you guys. So last night I was up till about 4 o'clock finishing Cameron's side of the closet, and I gotta say it looks pretty good. Now the goal is to do my side of the closet, get everything organized and cleaned out, and then I will show y'all the final reveal.
Kiss a little harder, I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
So that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. This makeover just literally brought me life. It is making me so happy to see this closet before and after, how much of a change that it did with just little things. We added the 3-tiered cubicles on the top layer to literally double our space for our shoes. adding hangers that were new and same in color and shape really made for a unique and clean look. And if you really want to go the extra mile like me and color code your clothes, then I'm all for it. It's never gonna last, but it just brings me so much joy in a space like this when you've taken the time to organize and to make everything look like it works together. Why not color code your clothes? Because most likely it won't stay like that for long, but it brings me so much joy to see it all come together and just know that this closet worked out and it turned out absolutely beautiful, and it was all worth the time and the effort. And I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving. If you haven't already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below of any future projects that you may want to see on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you're aware of when I post my future videos. And I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.